Our products, you kind of look at them from the outside and they look like a tank with something on top of it. But if you look inside those things, they're brilliantly engineered, incredibly compact and dense in terms of the mechanical movements they have in them, like a Swiss watch, that use running water to meter the water, to help clean, kind of basically operate from one tank to another, to clean the systems, to regenerate the systems, and then get ready to do it all again, without the use of a timer, without the use of any electronics. Many people have tried to copy and imitate what we do, but they can't get the precision molding done correctly. They can't figure out how to put it all together, and they can't figure out how to kind of keep it as a system integrated in a whole.
It brings us a whole new set of technologies that we've never used before. And beyond it, helping our processes become more scalable and produce higher quality products, it's really a game changer for a lot of our employees and our workforce. So this is allowing us to take folks and move them into more value-added, higher technology jobs. It's not just the operators, it's our maintenance team. Our maintenance team has to learn how to manage the robots and deal with the robots. It's our engineering team in learning how to deal with brand new technologies. It's even our supervisory staff learning how to interact with these robots and manage this automation. So it's really providing a lot of nice opportunities across our team. Secondly, internally, it's really, as we are looking at double-digit growth here, as far as we can see, it's allowing us to create the capacities and the capabilities internally to meet that growth. And to do so in a way that's scalable and maintains real high quality, real high performance in our products. I have been in manufacturing and supply chain operations for 30 years now. As a native Cleveland kid, as an engineer who has been in manufacturing, it is my drive to help develop, help support, help grow manufacturing in Northeast Ohio. Every week we are loading ocean containers 100 yards down here, and we're filling those ocean containers with the product that we built here, and we are shipping them to Asia, and we are shipping them to Europe. Nothing brings more pride to me and to our team than the fact that we are building all of this here just outside of Cleveland, and we're shipping our product all over the world.